What if the currency of the internet isn't a central bank digital token, but Dogecoin, the meme coin that started as a joke and now challenges the payment giants of the world? It sounds wild, but this question isn't as far-fetched as it once seemed. Dogecoin, the coin that captured global attention with its Shiba Inu mascot and community-driven vibe, is suddenly at the center of serious financial discussions. Tech companies, payment platforms, and even banks are beginning to notice a shift toward decentralized, low-fee, real-time transactions. But is Dogecoin truly built for this future, or is it just another hype cycle waiting to fade? Today, we're diving deep into why Dogecoin might just be the next frontier for online payments and what could stand in its way. To understand why Dogecoin is even being considered as a future payment solution, we need to look at what makes it unique. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin's transaction system is extremely fast and cost-efficient. With block times averaging just 1 minute compared to Bitcoin's 10, transactions happen quickly, and the fees are a fraction of a cent. That's one of the main reasons developers and fintech enthusiasts are starting to treat it as a viable payment method for everyday use. The conversation gained momentum when Elon Musk, Dogecoin's most visible supporter, began experimenting with using Doge for Tesla merchandise and hinted at broader payment integration across his ecosystem. Later, as his social media platform X evolved toward becoming an all-in-one financial hub, Dogecoin's name kept resurfacing. Rumors of Dogecoin being included in X payments sent the crypto community into overdrive, and while nothing official has been confirmed, Musk's influence has reignited serious interest in Doge's use case. But there's more to this story than celebrity backing. Dogecoin's technology has matured rapidly over the past few years. Recent network upgrades, like the Cardinal's index node, have made data indexing faster and more secure, allowing greater participation in network validation. This means Dogecoin isn't just scaling up in popularity, it's scaling up in performance too. The introduction of Doge OS has opened the door for developers to build decentralized apps directly on the Dogecoin network, while proposals like OP_checks aim to integrate zero-knowledge proofs for better privacy and scalability. All of this technical innovation gives Dogecoin a legitimate shot at becoming a fast, decentralized payment rail, something even major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin struggle to achieve efficiently. Bitcoin remains an excellent store of value, but it's slow and expensive for microtransactions. Ethereum is powerful for smart contracts but often bogged down by high gas fees. Dogecoin, on the other hand, was designed for accessibility and speed, two key factors in real-world payments. Another advantage is Dogecoin's inflationary design. Unlike Bitcoin's fixed supply, Dogecoin continuously issues new coins each year. While that sounds like a weakness, it actually supports long-term transaction flow by preventing hoarding. People are more likely to spend Dogecoin because they know more is being created. In a payment economy, that's a strength. It keeps the coin circulating instead of locking it up in speculative wallets. We're already seeing companies experiment with Dogecoin as a payment option. Merchants on Shopify, WooCommerce, and BitPay can now accept Doge for products and services. Even large franchises like AMC Theaters and Newegg jumped on board, allowing customers to buy tickets and tech products with Dogecoin. This signals growing mainstream trust in its payment infrastructure. According to CoinPayments data, Dogecoin ranked among the top 5 most used cryptocurrencies for retail transactions in 2025. That's not just hype, that's utility. Meanwhile, the global payment industry is changing fast. Traditional processors like Visa and MasterCard are exploring blockchain partnerships, while PayPal and Stripe have already integrated stablecoin options. As regulatory frameworks evolve, cryptocurrencies that can offer stability and speed will thrive. Dogecoin's growing acceptance and network strength position it well for this transition, especially as more businesses look to embrace low-cost global payments. Another major piece of the puzzle is community. Dogecoin's culture is unlike any other crypto. It's friendly, open, and inclusive, not dominated by institutions or venture capitalists. That decentralized community spirit keeps it alive even when markets dip. When crypto enthusiasm fades elsewhere, Dogecoin's meme-driven identity keeps people engaged. The same force that once fueled viral hype is now creating real economic activity, donations, tips, microtransactions, and community projects all powered by Doge. But let's not ignore the challenges. Volatility remains a key issue. Despite its speed and affordability, Dogecoin's value can still swing dramatically, which makes pricing goods and services in Doge tricky. Merchants often convert it instantly to fiat to avoid risk. The development team also faces the challenge of keeping up with regulatory scrutiny, especially as Dogecoin edges closer to mainstream finance. And while upgrades are happening, Dogecoin still needs broader smart contract support and tighter integration with modern payment APIs to compete directly with fintech giants. Even with these hurdles, the direction is clear. Institutional acceptance is rising. Dogecoin ETFs are under review, and the House of Doge, the foundation's corporate arm, is actively working to secure listings and expand its treasury for long-term growth. Each of these steps brings Dogecoin closer to being recognized not just as a meme coin, but as a functional, scalable asset within the global payment system. Analysts have started to take notice. Bloomberg's crypto strategist Mike McGlone recently highlighted Dogecoin's consistent transaction volume growth and strong liquidity base, arguing that Doge could become the testing ground for mass crypto payments. Similarly, fintech researcher Amelia Grant noted that Dogecoin's user-friendly approach and low friction could make it the crypto PayPal of the decentralized era. These expert takes underscore a broader truth: Dogecoin has moved beyond the joke, it's entering the infrastructure phase. If you look at current adoption curves, Dogecoin's trajectory mirrors the early days of Bitcoin and payment adoption. It starts small, with tipping and donations, then scales into e-commerce and global remittances. The difference this time is that the technology and ecosystem around it are more mature. Payment gateways, crypto cards, and cross-chain bridges already exist. The question now is whether Dogecoin can maintain stability, attract developer talent, and sustain its relevance as competition grows. So, is Dogecoin the future of online payments? It's not just a meme anymore, it's a movement that's bridging the gap between internet culture and digital finance. Its blend of speed, accessibility, and community-driven innovation makes it uniquely positioned to become a global medium of exchange in the decentralized economy. The road ahead won't be without obstacles. Volatility, regulation, and competition will test its resilience, but if any cryptocurrency embodies the spirit of evolution and persistence, it's Dogecoin. Whether or not Dogecoin becomes the standard for online payments, it's already achieved something remarkable. It's made crypto fun, human, and approachable. It's introduced millions to blockchain without intimidating them with technical jargon or elitism. And that, in itself, is the foundation for mass adoption. The next phase of the internet is all about frictionless value transfer, fast, borderless, and community-powered. Dogecoin fits right into that vision. So, the next time you see a Dogecoin logo pop up at checkout, remember, what started as a joke could soon be the currency that fuels the digital world. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive crypto explainers, and comment below. Do you think Dogecoin can really become the future of online payments, or will traditional finance still control the game? Either way, one thing's certain: the conversation around Dogecoin is far from over, and its next move might redefine how the internet handles money.